Jake's Point's quite unique because it's got quite specific design guidelines. The roofs of the houses need to be of a certain pitch, so most of the houses have got the same form. We worked within the guidelines but gave it a little bit of a twist with the split gable. In this case, on the eastern side of the house, the gable is not a full gable, it's half a gable, and the rest of the gable is set back. It gives an illusion that it's not a gable, but if you look at it from a particular angle, it is a gable. The materials in the house, we've used a lot of timber and lots of different types of species of timber. On the outside, we've got tallow wood, which is Australian hardwood, and inside we've got a mixture of oak flooring, Meranti plywood, and beech ceiling. That gives a real cosy feel to the house. It's really warm and really quite moody, especially with the light here. The deeper you go into the house, the darker it gets, and the coziness increases. We have 2 levels in the house. The ground floor is where most of the spaces are, and then we've got a mezzanine floor above. And that provides a working from home space and also a fold-down bed that comes out of the wall for guests. To the east, we have a high window that looks directly at the Remarkables. It follows the form of the split gable, and that's the main feature of the space. Is when you're in here, you can see the Remarkables, but you can't see the neighbours. When I walk into this house, there's definitely a sense of calmness that comes upon me. There's a real sense of privacy from the neighbours. There's a really good outlook and really good light. And I know that the house has been designed in a way that's going to endure not just this generation, but the next generation. And that's really important for us.